Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 5 best 3D printer for beginners 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Tina 2 Mini 3D Printer. Complete starter kit for kids and beginners, fully assembled, auto-leveling. Unleash creativity with the Tina 2 Mini 3D Printer Starter Kit, the perfect plug-and-play printer for kids, beginners, and hobbyists. Fully assembled and ready to print, it includes 10 of PLA filament, a micro SD card preloaded with designs, and essential accessories. Auto-leveling and a dual Z-axis rail ensure high-precision prints, while the flexible magnetic build plate makes print removal effortless. The one-touch filament loading system simplifies setup, supporting PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filaments. Compact and lightweight, 8.3 inches by 8.3 inches by 11.4 inches, it's ideal for homes, classrooms, and dorms. Enjoy Wi-Fi compatibility and open-source printing with Cura, Simplify 3D, WeBuilder, and more. With resume printing and active pause functions, your projects stay on track. Start 3D printing the easy way. Everything you need is included. Number 2. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. Ultra-fast Core XY 3D printer with smart features. Experience blazing fast 3D printing with the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. Powered by a Core XY all-metal structure, this machine achieves up to 600 mm per second speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, cutting print times by over 70%. The high-flow 32 mm superscript 3/s nozzle heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, ensuring smooth, detailed prints with minimal spillage. One-click auto-leveling makes flawless first layers effortless, while the dual-sided PI platform allows for easy model removal. Choose from multiple nozzle diameters, 0.25 to 0.8 mm for precision or speed, and print with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PTG, ABS, ASA, and carbon fiber blends. Enhance cooling with the dual-channel fan and monitor remotely via the FlashMaker app. Elevate your 3D printing experience with Adventurer 5M, speed, precision, and convenience in one. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro, High Precision. Silent 3D printer with auto bed leveling. Unleash precise, high-quality 3D prints with the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. Its 225 by 225 by 280 mm build volume meets the needs of makers and professionals alike. With an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors, enjoy whisper-quiet printing at just 47 to 48 dB. The dual-gear direct extruder ensures smooth filament feeding, reducing clogging and under-extrusion, while the advanced nozzle kit with a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe improves heat dissipation for flawless results. Achieve perfect first layers with auto bed leveling, scanning 36 points for precise calibration. Plus, the dual Z-axis motors enhance stability for ultra-accurate prints. Featuring auto-filament detection and power loss recovery, the Neptune 3 Pro ensures worry-free printing. Get stunning results every time. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 Easy-to-use, high-precision 3D printer for beginners and makers. Start your 3D printing journey with the Creality Ender 3, the ideal printer for beginners, students, and makers. Featuring a resume printing function, it picks up right where it left off after a power outage. No wasted prints. The quick and easy assembly means you can be up and running in just 2 hours. Designed for smooth, quiet, and durable operation, the upgraded extruder minimizes clogging, while the V-shaped POM wheels ensure seamless movement. The safety-protected power supply heats the print bed to 100 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, getting you started fast. Plus, every printer undergoes strict quality testing for reliability. Ready to turn ideas into reality? The Ender 3 is your gateway to precision 3D printing at an unbeatable value. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. Reliable, easy to assemble, high-precision printing. Step into the world of 3D printing with confidence using the Creality Ender 3, the perfect beginner-friendly DIY 3D printer. Featuring a resume printing function, it ensures your prints continue seamlessly after a power outage. Assembly is quick and easy, with only 20 nuts to install. Get started in just 2 hours. The advanced extruder technology minimizes clogs and ensures smooth, quiet operation with V-shaped POM wheels for durability. Fast heating bed reaches 100 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, ideal for consistent, high-quality prints. Each unit undergoes strict quality testing before shipment. Check power supply settings 115V for proper function. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or maker, the Ender 3 is your affordable, reliable gateway to endless creativity.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.